Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we are going to explain the difference between two of BlinkBid's core organizing features, users and personalities. BlinkBid allows you to have multiple users inside one account. Users have their own email and password login and can work inside the system collaboratively with access to every job and every personality. Users are great for teams that work inside the account simultaneously. Personalities help you manage different facets of business and keep different industries and their requirements separate. For example, I'm a commercial photographer, but sometimes I'm hired to do post-production. So I have a commercial photography personality and a post-production personality. Each personality has its own settings with its own unique catalog, tax settings, legal features, custom labels, and logos, so you can tailor your jobs as needed. If you have any questions, please check out our knowledge base at blinkbid.com/help. If your question is not answered, please click on the account name in the top right corner and send support a message.